Evo Smart Setup, getting started and connection guide. First time setup, registering your administrator. Enter setup mode. Click star and hash to enter setup mode. Enter default password. Default password is 123456. Then press hash to confirm. Adding an admin. Now you hear the system announce your options. Press 1 to access administrator settings. Press 1 again to add administrator. Create your administrator password. Create your 6 to 8 digit administrator password and press hash to confirm. Register your fingerprint. Now register your fingerprint at the place shown in the picture. Register IC card. Register the IC card or press asterisk to skip. Registration complete. Admin registration is completed. Now you're the master administrator with ID number 01. Accessing the main menu. Alright, now that you're registered as administrator, let me show you how to access the main control menu. This is where you'll do everything. Add users, delete users, change settings, connect to Wi-Fi, all of it. Adding users. How to add a user? After accessing the main menu again, select option 2, user settings. Repeat the same process as registering the admin to register a user. How to delete a user? After accessing the user settings, again select option 2 for delete user. The system immediately processes the ID deletion successfully. Device network connection. Now let's get this log connected to your phone, because this is where things get really powerful. Remote unlocking, activity logs, push notification, the whole smart home experience. Step 1. Getting into the app. Download the Zeone app and log into the app. Add the log. Enter the details asked on the screen and submit. Choose the log from the given list. Choose the connection method and continue. Once submitted, the app will start searching for the log pairing. Step 2. Prepare the log. From the main menu, select option 3, device network connection. The system has 2 connection methods, hotspot connection, intelligent connection. Press 2 for intelligent connection. The log will start the pairing. Congratulations, you're connected.